Chad, good morning, baby. Feels like I haven't streamed a lot this week, but internet seems to be working. Seems to be a national issue. OpenServe. Hashtag let's pray for OpenServe, Keeks. What do you rate? Hashtag
OpenServe. They need some blessings there, bro.
OpenServe needs a lot of prayer. Chad, how's everyone doing? How's the week? Week good? I believe the week Cracker went. What did the Cracker do this week, Keeks?
We actually talking about it yesterday. So 3 wins and 1 no trade. Cracker's done 300 pips for the week.
300 pips. You still haven't added me to that thing that you guys have, Project G. Will you just add me to that,
We
please?
will add you there immediately, bro.
All right, Project G, it seems that's the place to be. Chad, but before we start, I think most of you missed the prayer as well with the internet being up and down this week as well. So let's get ready for the prayer. Hope you guys are ready for it, so let's just quiet down. Father, we want to come to you this morning and just thank you for another week. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for protecting us, keeping us safe. And thank you for a successful week. Father, we just pray that you will go with us during this session. We pray for wisdom and insight. We pray that you will impact us. And I pray for each and every member here that watches every single day, Father. I pray that you will be with them, that you will give them guidance, that you will give them peace, the peace that surpasses all understanding, as your word says, Father, and that they will find their destiny, their purpose that they've got in you, Father, the plan that you have destined for them before the foundation of the earth, Father. And we pray that they will be able to strengthen their faith in you, that no matter what happens in their lives, Father, that they can trust you, that they can believe you, and ultimately that you are with them, Father. And we thank you for that. We also pray for our families that are going about their day, Father. We pray that you will go with them. We pray that you will send forth your angels to form a hedge of protection around them. We also pray that you will bring all of us back safely this afternoon. We also pray that you will go with each and every member during the weekend as they go and rest. Give them good rest, bring them back refreshed and renewed on Monday. And above all else, Father, we pray that your name will be glorified. And we ask this not because we deserve it. We don't deserve anything, Father, but because of your grace and your mercies that are new every single day. You say in your word that your mercies are new and your grace is new every single day. You also say where sin abounds, grace abounds even more, Father. So even though we are sinful in nature, you are still there for us and you still extend your grace towards us. And we pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Alrighty, Chad, big one, NFP today. I know a lot of you guys are excited, ready to either make some money or lose some money. But we're going to see what's going to happen now during the London session. 11:30, Christine Lagarde speaking. I don't know where she's speaking from. International Women's Day. Okay, International Women's Day. Is it International Women's Day today?
Yo.
Chad, let me know. Is it International Women's Day? Because then I think we're going to actually do $10,000 account giveaways for the ladies.
And I like that. We prefer making money.
Hey, all right. Chad, is it Women's Day? Somebody just let me know. Please let me know. Because then we're doing the 1 million Rand account giveaway today as well. Let me just check. Sorry, Keeks, I just want to make sure. International Women's Day. Dude, it is actually tomorrow, but because it's tomorrow, we will do it today. So this is for all the ladies. We do appreciate you, for all the moms, for all the wives, the sisters, the grandmothers. So we just want to say you guys are awesome. If you are a man, it is important that you protect females in general. Don't be weird, please. If I ever see a guy being weird, you will get clapped. You know what I mean? So protect the ladies, and we do appreciate all of you. For the ladies that are in the chat, we are going to do a giveaway for you as well. So 5 account giveaways. I don't know how many ladies are here, but we're going to see a little bit later. And if you identify as a lady and you're a man, please come to our offices. We will show you what it is to be a man very quickly. Keegs, what do you rate?
100%.
Quick. You don't identify as anything. You identify as what God made you to be when you got born. All right? Stop this craziness of identifying as anything other than what you are. But Chad, anyways, we've got Christine Lagarde, GDP, 12 o'clock. Then later this afternoon, North American session, we have employment data coming out of Canada, and then also US NFP data, expecting a little bit of a softer tone on the labor data there. And also expecting unemployment rate to remain the same. So with that being said, we are going to head straight over to the chart, see what is happening here. Dollar on the day, still bearish. We've got that 200 daily EMA. We've got that yearly pivot. Untested. I mentioned to the guys, at some stage we are going to go back and retest that. Currently at monthly S2, weekly S5. That is the last line of defense for the dollar bulls. So we are still bearish. We are still absolutely bearish. And on the lower time frames, let's see what do we have here. All right, breaks below monthly S2, Asia lows. This is the weekly S5. No test on the monthly S2, no test on Asia lows. Let's see what we do at this weekly S5, but I do expect potential pullback here in London to go and test that. So we will see what we do at these two levels. If buyers are going to step in, I don't really foresee it just plunging now before NFP, but it could. So these two zones, let's monitor for potential bounce. I wouldn't necessarily want the continuation now before a big release. Nasdaq daily, very, very interesting. We mentioned that we are still super bearish on it. Things are still looking relatively rough. The weekly was bearish. The daily, yesterday was, for me, relatively neutral to bullish. Unfortunately, TikTok actually gave me a strike. You're not allowed to do anything market related. So they chalked that little live stream, gave me a warning. Next one, account will be gone. Believe it or not. So what are we looking at here? We've got another break of structure there. Looking left, what do we have? We've got a little bit of a demand zone down here. We've got that 200 daily EMA. So things are still looking bearish. We're going to see what Bookmap is showing us. Now that I mentioned Bookmap, let's just start up that bad boy to start gathering data. So Asia lows, monthly S1. Could we get a little bounce here, chat? That's what I'm potentially looking at. See if we can get a little bit of a bounce here. Asia highs untested, daily pivot all the way up there. So that's what I'm going to look for. Or we could get a continuation to the downside, something like that. But we're going to just see what we're doing. This little bit of a jumble there. US30 daily. What is the daily doing? Let me just see if Bookmap. All right, there we go. Beautiful. US30 daily, clean structure break. Yesterday, very clean. Looking left, we spoke about this range. The range is sitting all the way down here. Things are looking relatively spicy towards the downside. I don't know if there's some air brakes on this plane, but it is bearish. There you can clearly see that break of structure. We've got a little bit of wicks to fill to the downside. Lower time frame as well. Asia lows taken, Asia highs untested. Could we get a little bit of a scalp here into Asia highs? So for me, going into the session, Asia lows, key point of interest. Want to see what we do there. Gold on the daily. We spoke about gold as well this entire week. We said this is a potential area of resistance. We've got a very nice support area down here, 28.55. So we are currently trading in this range. I cannot be bearish on one single daily candle closing bearish. So I'm going to be relatively neutral. Still a bit of an inside day currently. No highs or lows were intimidated during the making of this video. And Asia highs, what we've seen as well with gold for the most part is that you could get continuations once it breaks, but for the most part you'll see some type of consolidation pullback once it breaks. But this week actually, around about 10 just broke Asia lows, pumped up. Just absolutely did its own thing. Consolidated it a little bit. Thursday again around about 7 pushed up and then just cleanly broke through. So gonna be interesting here. Asia highs, I want to say we need to monitor that, and then we've got some round numbers here as well. 29.15. Let's see what we do there. I don't necessarily want to trade gold before NFP release, but we'll see if something pops up that we can just take a little jab at. GBPUSD, we were bullish for the most part of the week, even though this daily says bearish. Believe me, we were bullish. Alrighty, Chad. Weekly R4. This thing is on an absolute mission to Mars. There was that daily, that breakout. So all the way from here, we were bullish. Now looking left, where are we? Me and Keegan, we're currently in Port Elizabeth. I don't know where you guys are, but this is where we are. So, Chad, come on, man. It's Friday. So this is the range that we are currently in. We've got a massive number here, 12900 institutional level right there. And I want to say I'll only get bearish once we start trading below this zone here. But we could spike up. We definitely could. So it's still bearish, still bullish. The only thing is now, alright, so this makes a little more sense to me. This is a little bit of a cluster. Things could get really messy in here, but I'm gonna say bullish while we hold above 12900, and I'm gonna say bullish while we hold above EQ, daily pivot, and weekly R4. So I'm gonna highlight that entire zone. Not that big. I think this zone is 4 pips. Okay, holds above bullish, breaks back below bearish, and then if you really want to get involved here, I would say 12900 will most likely go to the daily R1. Alright, GJ last one. Let's see what the dragon is doing. GJ, absolutely beautiful to stay away from. So GJ, we spoke about it. Very simple. This is currently this little messy range that we are in. So this is our range formation. That's our range high. This is our range low down here. Yesterday, rejecting that, bullish engulfing, taking a previous daily high. I would expect this to come back in the range. So I would be bearish on the day. On the lower time frames, what do we have? We have previous weekly high there. We've got the weekly R1 up here. We've got a half round number there in the middle. No advantage point here. GJ is looking absolutely chopped. Chad, has anyone been trading GJ successfully the last week or two? Let me know. We want to do a podcast with you because you are something special and we need to study you. All right. Chad, this for me. No, there's nothing. I'm trying to see if we've got some type of advantage. There's just nothing here for me. I want to say below this monthly pivot, below 190, this could be a clean move if you get below there. It's just tough here, Chad. Okay, now I'm not gonna try and make something that there isn't. But Kigo, just move your price tab a little bit to the right. I know it's gonna bother you a little bit, so just bring it to the right, tiny bit more, a little bit more. Perfect. Kigo, over to you, my brother.
Okay, guys, let's start it off with the dollar. So very interesting for me is this was our target for the week. We're going to start off with that. 103.450, this daily key level was our target for the week. We're already on Friday, and a Friday that's NFP, meaning there's still going to be a lot of volume coming in, which makes this quite interesting for me to see what's going to happen. Because when we go back and we look on a weekly, this thing can become very, very dangerous. And what do I mean by that, guys? Two options. You literally can have this thing do a complete UE today, and first area I'm going to talk about then is that yearly pivot, because that yearly pivot is a massive area. We've broken that area with no retest. If this thing surprises to the top side today, dollar's gonna make some massive waves. If it goes to the downside, you obviously have the next zone 102.619, but with NFP, and I think if you get then that big miss, not only you have that yearly support, but the 200 slightly under there, I'm going to say you possibly even going to go as low as 101.550. I think this would be a very, very bad day for the dollar if it goes south. So, very interesting one. I do think today is going to be a very big move on NFP, but it's a very dangerous one. It's going to be quite volatile. It's going to be very interesting to see how things play out. But markets, as I say, markets are setting up for something. So we're going to see how that plays out. But dollar, literally, this is a make or break for it today. We're basically going to be finally be able to change that weekly to either bullish or bearish at the end of today. So going to be quite interesting there for me. With Nasdaq, we've been bearish, guys, so neutral, but we've been saying we're looking more bearish, purely just because we wanted some confirmation. So obviously 20,000 was our key level. We wanted this to be a test on Tuesday. We fell a little bit short over there. As I said to the guys yesterday, so if you want to stream with us, I said if we go bearish, and I said the game of probabilities, when you look at it this way, we were trading here. As I said, 20,000 is the level we wanted to test. We had this little level of support we made, and then a level of resistance. So you can actually see from the end there. So what happened? We obviously traded. We came a little bit short. We tried to turn around. Yes, we had another wick that didn't take anything out, didn't take out the highs, but it did hold its resistance. This candle was trading about here, and I said to the guys, if this thing broke the lows, very simple higher time frame, you're going for the wick fill. So there you can see we went all the way, took out that low, we hit that 20,000, and now pulled back. So I must say I'm still bearish on the technicals, but again, NFP today is going to be very, very interesting. When you look at it this way, again, as I say, guys, this thing can go either way. Very simply because even on technicals, as much as you finally test this 20,000, that can be the test. We hold support, and now we go bullish after that. So I know this is going to irritate some people. That could be the test. We now hold support above the monthly S1, and we can turn around and go bullish. Other thing is, we finally, after all of this breaking to the lower side, can see this continuation, and the volume can drive this thing to break all the way lower and go for that yearly or yearly pivot. So very similar to the dollar, and you're going to see the same thing on US30 when we get there. They all are in a very similar, if you want to talk technicals and you want to talk key areas, they're in very similar positions. So very much a neutral outlook there. Now with US30, we obviously the same thing, going bearish. First thing I want to talk about is obviously, guys, if you know how you're trading, your structure, you're doing this the whole time. So that means technically your lower level would be lower. Obviously monthly S2, the 200, and we have the yearly. So we could see this come down here. But at the same time, in saying all of that, this is holding support. You're seeing all the volume being kept here. If things go the right way they need to go, you could see this thing change very, very quickly, and we could see that move come all the way back up to 43,000, something it would need to finally break back above and then go all the way back up to the monthly pivot, because as much as we opened up on it, there never was a retest after that breakaway. So again, you see how there's, I'm not going to say it's literally a 50-50, guys. The Prodigy guys know exactly where we sit in with our outlook, but yeah, this thing can go both ways, and that's why I'm saying it is a very, very volatile day. We obviously are bearish, hence why we've been taking bearish trades, things like that, but it's going to be very interesting, especially on a day like NFP. I will not touch indices. now in London session, that is just a no-brainer for me. So the only thing I'm going to be looking at really for this session is gold. Now gold, again guys, literally is how it is now, neutral. Now why is that? Now very simply because I said to the guys, if I broke it down the week for you, basically the weekly EQ, same way we look at a daily EQ, this is your weekly EQ. We broke back above, we tested it. We wanted a held, we tested it. Honestly, this test should have broken, which it did break, but then aggressively pulled all the way back. Now we trade here again, and we test here at 29. So the main thing we're doing here, we're holding this level of resistance, we're holding the EQ, and we're holding 2900. So right now, guys, we are not really doing anything. Yes, that is a big range. You're looking at something between 2920 and 2890 basically. So that is a very, very big range to be considering it that way. But you, even on the technical side, you're not getting any, oh damn, let me just take that away. You're not getting any clear direction there. You can trade a range, but that's about as far as it's going. So markets for me are looking quite up down. If I don't get anything that can show me something clear, I most likely am not going to take it. I want to only be taking something that can give me a setup with a confirmation. So for example, like now we have Asia highs, Asia lows, we also hold in the 2900. We also now got above, we hold in a 200, we hold in a day put, we hold in EQ. Things are looking very much bullish. I want to first see if we can hold a retest on Asia highs, and then if we can continue bullish. I'd love to get in round about Asia highs purely because of the idea that if it goes here, that gives me time to go break even by the time we get to this resistance area if we do reject. Otherwise, you want to see volume drive this thing to the top side, because if it fails, very simply, we just back in the range and we can go back down Asia lows untested, which lines up quite nicely for us. And as I said with all the other pairs, the only thing here which throws this off and really makes it neutral is if you've got a low, there's your lows. Yeah, so a lot of guys are going to say at your inverse head and shoulders, I don't really like that pattern, but you still can see how we're going bearish. So your highs are getting lower and lower, and if we reject here, lower. So we can see that, but this throws you off a little bit, which means this can hold. If it does break, you'd want to see that volume to the top side, but if it rejects, very good chance we could see that break now to the downside as well. Hence, it just means because the range is big, which is unfortunate, means you're either going to take a much more riskier trade, your stop losses would have to be a bit bigger, but we're going to see what can happen. Obviously, there's a lot. It's Friday, it's NFP. There's a lot that can happen today, guys. So we're going to see maybe bookmap where we can see some volume enter the market so we can get some quick scalps in. But yeah, I hate to be that person, but a very neutral day for me, guys. We're going to have to see what NFP comes out as to give us that one-way clear direction. You looking into US30 as well, my brother? I literally just broke it down. Go back like 10 minutes. Had a 3 for 3 on gold this week. Caught roughly over 200 pips. Pretty brilliant week. Hey, that's awesome, bro. Leaving forex space alone until all tariff news dies down because they moving whack. Been slapping gold. Caught longs yesterday for 1 to 3 after daily low was taken. Awesome, bro. Too much money and don't know what to do with it. We all have 2 of them where our moves to and have a small lagoon to at least make us do not leave the coastlines. Yeah, Judge, we're gonna have to see. Pretty much a waiting game. 2 minutes till market open, and then we're gonna see what happens from there. Should only wake up now. Sorry, my G. Nah, all good, bro. As I was saying, like you just missed it, bro. So you don't have to go that far back. I'm good. If I need to have a good night's sleep, it says today, looks, let's have an awesome day. Dylan H, my brother, you put gold on. I'm ER later, brother. Thanks, Geek. Saw you guys caught a crazy move in US30. Yeah, bro. Wednesday, mad move. So yeah, Wednesday. It's been a very good week for us. I can't even lie, guys. I don't want to sound like that person, but literally, yeah, we couldn't have asked for, I want to say, a better start to the year. Yeah, last 2 months have been solid. Trump thinks other countries are his tenants. He is already backing down from putting on other products.
Chad, markets are opening in 20 seconds.
Just so know, we're gonna do it now this session today.
20 seconds. Markets are opening up here. All right, Nasdaq. Keeks, do you have the one? Do I have the one?
You have the horn.
Do I have the one?
Geeks, do you space for your man cave at the new house? Yeah, bro. Of course there's got to be an office, bro.
Alrighty. Chad, markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the penultimate round of this week. Ding, 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 ding. For the sound, we gotta work. I gotta work on the sound engineering of the stream. Okay, dollar. Let's see what she does here at the weekly S5. Damn, dollar has been absolutely crushed. All right, Chad. I do like the potential long idea if we get volume here. Otherwise, the keys. I'm just gonna throw on your screen quick.
Go for it, bro. That is it, guys. So for me, where markets are now, we're gonna have to just wait a bit.
Okay, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. Yeah, Chad. Nasdaq. Let's check here. Volume still negative on the delta, but if we get a nice break above here on the 1 minute, I will go for the longs 100%. If we get a nice burst of volume. US30, we are at the edge of this little volume shelf. Also holding at 200. Same thing, nice breaks above here. I would rather go for US30 buys purely because US30 is currently leading NAS. And then gold, massive volume coming in here. Massive volume coming in here at this stage. So let's see, how did the 30-minute close? Okay, let's check it out here. 15. A big burst of volume here on gold. Could we get into some potential longs here? There's that 15 holding. Yeah, chat, I would say I would love a little bit of a 1 minute resistance, then a minor break of structure. Quite a bit of volume there at the open. But ultimately, what I'm looking at is US30. See if we can get that minor structure break to the upside. Get a nice big chunk of volume pushing through here. And then the same on NAS. Currently at the point of control. So could see a little bit of a break. All right, US30. Only thing I don't like though, Chad, is let me just bring this more to the right. Let's do that. Only thing I don't like on US30, I don't know if you guys can see this, the volume delta is still trending down. So look at these highs getting lower, lower, lower. And price is currently trying to go higher. So that's the only thing I do not like, that I have to be honest about. But other than that, we'll see what we'll get here. Let's see, what did I miss here in the chat? You did say America first and wants to go back to the time America literally had every country by the nutsack. Okay. Are about to give someone a chance to fast track his way to become a millionaire with a milli account. I like that. I've been looking at gold. Chris, any specific reason you prefer trading NAS during London and not US30? No, Armand, so for me it's very simple. I look at which one of the two is leading. So if I'm looking for buys on either one of the two, I'll see which one is currently up more. So if US30 is up, say, 0.2% and NAS is only up 0.05%, then I'm going to go with US30. If I want to sell, I'm going to look at which one is the weaker one. That's the only way I choose. That's why I sold NAS yesterday at the open and not US30, because NAS was the one that was trading softer. So I trade either with the strength or I trade with the weakness. That's the only reason. So if Nasdaq was leading, because currently US30 is up 0.10, NAS is flat on the day, I would have gone with NAS, but NAS is currently 0.10% behind US30. So it's currently lagging, if that makes sense. Alright, chat, let's see what is happening here. How big is this range? Okay, it's quite a decent range. If we get a nice bottom wick here, on the break of the highs, I'm gonna go for it.
The man's ready, yeah.
If we get a nice break to the upside, we are currently holding this little bit of a volume shelf, so I'm actually going to go ahead and place some buy stops on the break of these highs, with the expectation that we could then run to the upside, holding that 200, holding VWAP. So I've got some buy stops set there, going with a 32 stop, and I think ideally Asia highs could be a nice one to try and hit. Okay, please note that these streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. You should definitely not follow a single thing we do here. You will lose all of your capital. So please just watch and be entertained. NAS had a nice bit of volume coming through there. Also holding that zone. Okay, let's see. Gold is chugging higher.
Yo, bro, but especially on NFP there, I don't know if we can see a lot of volume now in London.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a jab. I'm gonna be quick on the trigger. How much did gold do? Gold did. Yeah, that's miles done, I believe. I believe that is miles done, Chad. Expect Instagram post on a stretcher, murdered, killed.
Hey, Lennon, shop for the donor, brother.
Hey, Lennon, beautiful, my brother. You're right, that's miles done, gigs.
I reckon.
That's Miles done, Chad. Well done to Miles. Solid week. Chad, I'm going to go ahead and delete the buy stops. Purely because volume is now consolidating there. So we'll wait for a solid break on US30. So we will wait for a nice break. I am leaning towards the bull side here with the volume delta being positive and us holding above this little bit of a volume shelf here. So as soon as we get a nice pump of volume, I will go for it. So I will keep you guys posted there. While we wait, we can actually quickly look at GU. see what GU is doing. Let's just bring GU a little bit more into focus here. Yeah, GU is going to be a little tough here, Chad. I'm not going to lie. This entire little consolidation here is just going to be absolutely horrific to trade, and then same with GJ. There's not a lot of clean price action there. USD ZAR, the Rand is Kigo. What is the Rand doing, my dude?
Rand.
Bro, the Rand is coming back with a storm here. Dollar getting absolutely humiliated here. What are you looking for, Kigo?
Possible gold shorts.
Gold shorts.
But I need to see some type of rejection, confirmations where I can go for it.
Chad, how's the trading week been? With my book map. I believe it should have been solid. Ooh, Salah's stepping in here. Alrighty, let's check. I don't have anyone to tag for the giveaway. I don't have friends. Martins, that's a you problem, my brother. Get out, go touch some grass. Join a local church. There's a lot of people that will be your friend. So yeah, 2 of 2 off for past month, and it started yesterday. Stofie, how's it going, my brother? Health wise, how's everything going? It's been a while. I hope you are doing well, my friend. Yeah, the USD is taking some shots too. Chris, what's happening with the small development you were talking about? Armand, what development? Just keep me posted. I talk a lot of smack as well, so I don't know what development. This book map is really a good helper for you 1 minute traders. I get FOMO sometimes. Look, yesterday it was. Yesterday should have been like a 3% day for me. My cracker trade gigs was literally 3 points away.
I saw you entered a
A little bit late, yeah, because it slipped me.
Okay, because you actually entered. You should have entered 2K.
Alright, chat, let's see buyers trying to step in here on US30. Wait, there she goes. Here we go. Here we go. I want to need to see a little bit more out of it, Chad.
Alright, gold is showing us that rejection, guys, but
Starting to build some shortfall in their kicks. Nasdaq looks like it wants to. The delta is negative though. US30, what are you trying to tell us here, man? All right, Chad. US30 is holding this point of control, holding above VWAP. I do want to get long. However, I just want to see a breakout out of this little range here. And then once we get that breakout, I would ideally love to see some volume on it. So this is not really a lot of volume. I would really want to see something that can get us excited. You mentioned a while back you were looking to build like dollar units on it. Armand, I wish I had more time in the day. I wish I had more time in the day. I want to do a lot of things, but you also want to do the things that you do. You want to do it well. For the younger entrepreneurs, if I can give you any suggestion, is choose one thing, become great at it, master it, and then go on to the next. Don't try and do 20 different things at once. As much as you think you are a machine, you're not. You are not a machine, and something is going to break along the way. So Armand, I already struggle with anxiety. If I add another little business on my plate, that no. No. I know we are going to do it. I know, just check that link I sent you. The 50% off is for the 3-month package. I don't know if you've seen, if you go on there, the 3-month package you're paying $150 for the Global Plus. So just check it out.
Faith and mercy. Greetings from Slovakia. Hey.
Slovakia.
My brother's fiance is from Slovakia. I still will get it this week.
Okay, nice.
Hey, Kalen. I don't know if they're pulling the trigger, but happy birthday, my brother. I hope it's a solid one.
It's Kalen's birthday.
It is.
Kalen. Is this the Kalen that won Ultimate Trader Season 1?
No, this is the one that put us on NCS.
Then who's the Kalen hiker that won the Ultimate Trader? Bro, I think this is the Kalen. Bro, this is the Kalen that won it.
I think this is NCS, bro. Not that one.
I think he won it and he put us on NCS. No, I'm NCS Kalen. Okay.
I told you, bro.
Okay, sorry. Where's Ultimate Trader winner Kalen? Yeah, Chad, just chop here. Nothing we can do. So I know you guys are eager. I know you guys have the finger on the trigger. Where's Stofie? Did I miss Stove's message? No, did I ask how's Stofie doing? Chad, I think the Cape Town thing, we oversubscribed by a bit. So if you have registered, please note there's going to go email out. So yeah. There's an email that's going to go out, so please respond to it. The only thing is, I don't know how punctual you guys are in registering for an event and actually attending it. So we've got about 220 registrations. We went on the assumption that only 60% will come. And if all of you come, that is, it's not an issue.
I know You gotta join Project G then, bro.
Yeah, it will be streamed to the Project G members. We are going to stream it, guys. We just need a separate PC for it. Keeks, I'm actually thinking we can use the donkey here behind. Well, not the donkey.
Yeah, we can use that one.
It's more like a pony.
But I mean, I know if you're gonna purchase it, then what do you mean you want to see if it works?
Nee, nou Stofie, ek is bly dit gaan goed, my vriend. Ek is bly dit gaan goed.
Even when you guys just open trade again, do you guys think first place will have 100% in the first 10 minutes of market open? If the stream works without lag, yeah, we know how we're gonna do it. As I say, it's not for YouTube, it's gonna be on Project G.
We are trading US30. We are just waiting to see something happen here. So we're currently sitting at the volume shelf here. This is where the majority of the volume for this little London session is accumulating. So we could expect a move away from here. Volume delta starting to tilt down, but I've also seen it yesterday with gold, where you can tilt down all the way and then all of a sudden start building volume back to the upside. But either way, we are just waiting, little to no volume here. Gold still bumping and grinding from that first little volume peak there right at the open. Could go into a little bit of an exploration here. Another 30 pips, I would say, on gold is definitely on the cards. Another 30 easily, so I would say 29, 23. There's a lot of sellers sitting there on the book, so starting to build up some momentum here.
US30, yes, my brother. Have you never
Dow
heard of
Jones,
US30?
DJI, US30, Dow Jones, DJI Mini, whatever you want to call it.
Hey, London.
Windows player. What was the other one we all used? Winamp.
Winner.
No, Winamp. Did you not use Winamp?
No.
Chad, you know it's Winamp. Keeks, I think Winamp was before Keegan's time. Bro, you don't know Winamp?
Nah, bro.
Yes, dude. Winamp was, you were on it when you had Winamp. Yo, Keego. Don't give away your age, man. No, I'm kidding.
Currently, I've saved rules in gold. I've registered for the Cape Town class, but just waiting for the location and times email. And when we order set the visuals, especially to intense beat. Winamp was the bomb.
Yeah, Winamp was BLC for movies. Nah, yeah, Yazid, the visualizing Winamp was almost like that. You Windows Media plays when you buy your card standard. There's nothing. Winamp is when you take it, you put sound in the car, you put other rims on it. Winamp was it's just a different beast. Yeah, guys, the Cape Town seminar is literally going to be at Canal Walk, just literally next to it. So that main parking, I think it's entrance 3 on Mercedes-Benz's side. There's a fuel station there just as you go by it. I think Vodacom's head office is also sitting there just next to Vodacom's head office. So if you are going to the Cape Town seminar, prepare yourself for a trip to Canal Walk. The offices are literally in that ring road that goes around Canal Walk. So that's the location. So guys, the bookmap one I've got here is using CME. So it is using CME data, and it's also using COMEX data. There's different feeds that you can apply to. So for instance, if I want to add, let's say I want to use New York exchange, or I want to use CME, and I want to do YMH5, that is the futures for the Dow. YMH5, but why is it giving me CBOT? I want CME. Yeah, anyways, then you just subscribe. I don't want to mess up these charts now. Hij gebruikt nog steeds Winamp. Hey man. Nice. Yeah, chat, relatively low volume here. Nothing too intense happening here on any one of the pairs. It is NFP. We could get a little move here. I'm not close towards the idea of getting a move. All I want to see is a nice little bump of volume on US30. And if we get it, we are going to go for it. How did Hang Seng and the rest do overnight? Hang Seng closing negative and Nikkei minus 2.17. So just waiting here. G off Asia High would have been nice. Definitely. When was the bomb? Yeah, Chad, gold just grinding here. Volume delta still up. Now trying to form some type of shelf. I do think it can still go higher. Like I said, 29, 23. I think that's where sellers are going to try to start to bring it down. So volume is up currently. No sellers in sight as of yet. So do be careful if you're selling it here. Me personally, I'm just waiting for US30 to give us a nice little break here. If US30 can do that for us, that's going to be nice. Dylan, I think the partnership with XM is something we discussed quite a bit. And if you think about it, the local broker scene attracts a lot of negative attention, and international broker just makes sense. We try it out for a short little stint with them. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, they are big. They are big. And ideally, you wanna partner with international firms. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with local firms. The local broker scene, there's just a lot going on, man.
But obviously, yeah, guys, it's all about trial and that. So we're gonna see how it goes. But I think end of the day, you also want to work with someone that backs you guys. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, these guys seem to really back us. We seem to have a vision that kind of links together. So we're going to take it and see what happens with it. The best thing to do for NFP is to ask, what would ICT do?
He doesn't trade it. I think it's going to be tough if you already have an XM account. I don't know if Keeks can maybe reach out to them and ask.
I have, because someone actually asked me already this morning. I said the same thing to the other guy. I'm going to follow up. I'm not sure how that is working, but I am following up. So I'm just waiting for a response back from them.
I don't think there's a minimum profit you need to make.
Any profits you make, you can withdraw. So let's say if you even just made $10, you can withdraw $10. I mean, Flip.
Bro, and 600, okay, a little less than 600 for somebody just to start off. I think years ago, was it not Javen that registered like a few profiles and he made make like 1,000 or 2,000 rand? Or
yeah, it was Javen that did it. To be fair, it's a very cool way to get guys trading. There's no risk for you. There's no...
Bro, so many years ago when they had it, I registered and I tried to withdraw the $30. And they were like, dude, no, you have to try. I'm like, I want to withdraw it. They're like, no.
I'm trading with XM and it's been wonderful this far. That's awesome.
Yes, if you withdraw, you lose the $30.
Y'all who want the $30, make a new email. It's free, $30 to trade. Yeah, there you go. Just make a new email, guys. Is the link here? Yeah, in the description.
All right, Chad, I'm going to go for it now. As soon as we close in 20 seconds, I'm going to see what we do. Nice little bit of a volume build up now currently. As soon as this candle closes, going to wait for a tiny little bottom wick. Break of the highs, and we are going to rip it.
Bro, I wonder if that's like a little loophole, bro. Trade the free $30 on NFP.
I wonder if you can, though. All right, Chad, I'm going to set some buy stops on the break of this previous 1 minute candle high. At that stage, we are at the upper end of the shelf. I want to see if price can really start to run. We are in this little consolidation hold above VWAP. The volume is now starting to build. So... Bro, what is this song?
Nah, there's no minimum trading days to withdraw it.
30-point stop. We are going for Asia highs as a minimum. Buy stops above there. Let's see if we can get a nice little burst of volume. I'm not expecting too much here, Chad. It is NFP Friday. Things can get a little sticky here.
I wouldn't say I migrated all of my funds. No, I didn't do that. There's money there, but no, not all of my funds. When I started with them, I took that 500 Rand to 11k withdrawal. It got proof was that time with Mamba FX.
Did it take it to 11k?
Yeah.
Jeez.
That's crazy, bro. Every new month, a new email, if that's the case.
No, but I think they pick up on your ID number, Chad, because you got a KYC.
Yeah.
So every month a new family member will get a lot of girlfriends.
But also, guys, like Rick's saying there, just read the T's and C's.
Damn.
That answers all the questions.
Somebody I haven't seen in a while is Incognito.
Monday, Tuesday, they were in New York. ASM called me yesterday and tried to convince me to trade with him again, but after another broker that I use has more benefits. Hey, then that's it. USD was dumping that time. Every open USD went short. Yeah, can't be hard to trade then. How long did it take to verify KYC?
Instant. If you use your phone, literally 2 minutes, because they use the same thing when the car dealerships use. So once you scan it, goes onto a database. So it took me, that other day was 2 minutes, literally 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Chris was busy doing his KYC. I walked into one of the other rooms in the office. I walked back in and Chris was done already.
Yeah, just make sure you've got a ID card and a phone with you. And then you just scan it on your phone. Actually, there's a QR code you scan on the screen. Then that's going to take you to that app that does the KYC for you. You scan your ID document, and then within a minute or two, you get the the email verification email. All right, chat, deleting those buy stops. Back in the range we go. Back in the range we go. Literally no volume here. Still holding VWAP. We'll see if we get a break. Okay, so incognito was here. Incognito.
Yeah, Slash is also one of the fallen soldiers.
What happened to Slash?
He's not there anymore, bro. He pops in like once in every blue moon.
I think somebody mentioned he started his own signal service or something.
Hey. Guys are in the chat. Next minute, they signal providers.
I think he's doing something in the trading space. Somebody sent me something a while back.
I like a broker with a Visa debit card directly linked to the wallet, no bank transfers. I use XM because I wanted to trade Bitcoin, but they don't have zero protection, and that can be dangerous.
Alright, the charts aren't doing anything. A gold still just dropping higher. Let's quickly look at what the rest of the market is doing, Chad. What the rest of the market is doing. Okay, US30 in that little bit of a chokehold here. We'll see what she wants to do.
I mean, Kaylin, that's what it sounds like, bro. To be fair, I don't know if they would let you trade news with it. I think that would just become very dangerous for a business if you think about it.
I think they will allow you to trade with it, but the margin requirements, I think, will increase.
Yeah. So you'd have to see. How are you feeling about your USD? None of us are trading it.
I'll check it for you now, my brother. I'm just seeing.
Should check DAX and HK50.
Yeah, that's Hang Seng, HK50 Hong Kong. Yeah, GBPUSD, as mentioned, should run up. No trade for me on either one of them. GJ just...
I'm not going to say anything, guys. All I'm going to say is a lot of guys are apparently killing the markets in silence. But when you ask them for proof, none of them can show you anything.
Who's that now?
I'm just saying that.
No deposit, my brother. They give it to you just for registering a profile.
Boys, what time is the masterclass?
Who's... Wait, what did I miss here? Sashi got a new business and it's keeping him mad busy, so keeps telling me I'm on here. Okay.
Yeah, you don't have to deposit anything. Yeah, as Chris said, just register. Use that link in the description there, and then it'll take you to it.
Connor, I must just check. This is something that I love to do, to oversubscribe myself. I must just check. I actually...
Hey, Brian.
Caitlin never put it in my diary. I think I'm going to have to do the recording straight after the stream. Or you guys can join straight after the stream.
Keeves, you said the other day, why will you show your receipts? Wait, what? Keeves, you said the other day, why will you show your receipts? I'm a bit confused, my brother. Just elaborate.
I'm thinking he means like when you buy stuff, like what the guys do is they, like when they pay for something, they usually show like what they're paying. Is that what I mean? So when I got those Jordans now, Keeks, I should have been like, this is what I paid. Yeah.
Sorry, man, you were talking about your trading account. You won't show it to people. Oh, okay. No, because, okay, so that's my first thing. So I get what you're talking about now. When I won't do that is because I'm not ever, so when you guys look at me showing our services and stuff, I'm never trying to sell you and convince you on the idea I make 40,000 a day, I make 60,000 a day, I make 80,000 a day, no. I'm purely just showing you the skill. what you make is obviously what you put on the table. So I'm never trying to sell you on a value. I'm trying to sell you on a skill that you can potentially learn that you own. I'm not selling you on a lifestyle. I'm not selling you on anything like that. So I'm taking money out of the equation. So that's why I don't feel that I need to show it to you.
And also, why would you show it with SARS lurking around, Chad? Why would you now?
Guys, and that's why I said, because people don't understand this. Like, they think we joke about it. We have friends in the industry. They never, ever, ever in their life were they audited. The man did a 50,000 Rand giveaway on social media.
Next week.
Next day.
Was it next day?
Next day. SARS wanted to audit him.
Yeah.
Full audit. They are on social media, guys. Like, I don't know why people don't think about that. So, again, you're not going to show that stuff. Where I'm saying now, if someone's saying they're doing well, they're showing trades. Like, let's just say, for example, like someone's showing you he makes this amount of money, this amount of money, this amount of money. And then you go, oh, and then like, for example, they'll pull the card and say, oh, no, but you misunderstand it. It's a funded account. And you'll be like, oh, okay, can I see your funded certificate? And then I'll be like, no, why must I show you my funded certificate? Because then it's not like, you get what I'm saying now? So they'll claim they make all this money, but then the account's actually not a live account. So like, that's what I'm getting to with that. There's a lot of, and again, people say things, people talk, you guys don't understand how many people send things to us. So that's the essence I'm talking about, my brother. I'm not saying, he doesn't need to show me like his freaking bank statement, how much money he's making. That I'm not referring to.
Yes, I mean, I don't know. I don't know with all of these guys what their plan is. I think when your head is so deep up into your own arse, you can't see the light. Because we're not Zakes buying fake LV shoes. I got these fake Jordans from the Netherlands.
Oh yeah, I see, 100%. Preach. Joe Ash. Carl Frank Kiesel here from XM. What?
Fake cartier.
Yeah, mine is that's exactly it.
We actually had a discussion yesterday, myself and Keegs, around. We're going to do the giveaway shortly, guys. I'm going to start prepping it now. Not a lot happening here. Me and Keegs spoke about yesterday about watches and stuff. And I told him, for me personally, I'm not really a watch guy. I like utility. So, for instance, this Garmin watch for me, I love it. I'd sleep with it. It gives me my sleep score. It gives me my health status. It picks up on all of that. So I love that about the watch. But for instance, a Rolex or anything like that, I'm not really fazed about it. It's not something that I would pursue heavily to say, oh, sure, I want a Rolex. And I'm not saying a Rolex is bad or anything. And Keegan was like, he loves a nice dress watch. He would love to get himself a Rolex, and that's the personal preference of what it is that you want.
Like, I'm the same now, guys, in the essence. So like Chris and I were talking about that, like how you get cargoes. Like, I really do enjoy watches, so I do have a little bit of a watch collection, but not like crazy watches. Like same now, I wear my Apple Watch all the time. And then I only wear my dress watches when I go out. So if I go to an event, if I go to a dinner, if I go to a wedding or whatever the case is, then I wear like my dress watches. But even then, what I was saying to Chris is like, when I'm at that level one day, the one thing I would want to treat myself is to a Rolex, but like one Rolex. I don't want to have a collection of them, things like that. It's just that thing to say, like, almost like a bucket list. Like, you can achieve it and say, like, I ticked that off. Like, I got my Rolex.
No, Steph, it's been going well, my brother. I don't sleep without it. I think since I got it last year, there were maybe 1 or 2 times where I forgot. I actually fell asleep before I could put it on. and I could feel the next morning that I feel like shit. So no, it's been going well. Only thing is that dry mouth. If you haven't slept with a CPAP machine, I don't think you know what a dry mouth is. Takes you like a minute just to get your mouth a little bit more moistened up. It then dries out your mouth like you wouldn't believe. She. And we need to do a giveaway for the ladies' gigs. Almost forgot about that as well. So, Chad, we're gonna start shortly. I just want to see. We are at a point of interest here on Nasdaq for me, so I don't want to lose focus while we are here because things can start to happen from this level. So just bear with us. As much as I know you guys are here for the giveaways, we are also here for ourselves to try and catch a trade. So 5 times for the ladies and then 1 mil for the post. I know the feeling. Set the moisture to max. I'm gonna try it, Steffi. I've got it currently set at 3. The max is 6. The only thing is when I put it to 6, it actually condensates into the mask, and then there's a little bit of water that comes through it. I can only afford Hugo Pudagar, but Rooks promised to protect for holding down the speaker position. It's not for everyone that starts to go sending. I like the Breitlinks. I told Keeks, I honestly not about Rolex is more expensive. I honestly just love the look of a Breitling watch. It's a nice watch for me, especially like the Aviator edition with that old classic dial. That's a nice watch for me. The one with the leather band. Chat, alright, I'm gonna see how Nasdaq closes here in the next minute or two. We are holding that point of control. We're still above VWAP. Also holding this 200 EMA. Volume is slowly but surely starting to climb here. I just want to see if we can get a nice little burst of volume. Something similar to what we had here on the left. Let me just close this quickly. So if we can get something like what we had there, nice little burst of volume to the upside, I'm definitely going to try and see if we can squeeze something out of Nas here. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot here on Nas. So let's see. AP is also nice. I'm not gonna lie. AP, and then I told Geeks the Richard Mill is also on their website yesterday. It was 1 for 9 million. So you're wearing like a house on your wrist. Somebody drives up to you in a 9 million rand car, and it's like, I've got your car on my wrist. Yeah, I know, Brian. It's insane. And to think about it, many years ago when I was at that one watch shop in Cape Town, you could still get like a Richard Mill for 1.9. And if you look at what the price is now, this is obviously many, many years ago. Yeah. Kings, nothing there for you, my brother.
Nah, bro.
I might rip Nas, yeah. Let's see, volume is building here, Chad. No, I don't think you're gonna. I think you might get a bachelor's flat for 9 mil in Camps Bay. What did the houses go for in Camps Bay, Keeks? Like
It's crazy, bro. Crazy. I'm gonna say about anything from let's start at 20 mil to 80 mil.
I checked. There are some lower. Let's quickly see. Come spy on here, Kaniklani. The guy, 18 million is the floor. 4 hours. 5 mil will get you a 2-bedroom apartment. 5.5 1-bedroom. Oh, here's a 3-bedroom apartment. 6.7. Okay, so you can come spy. Let's check high to low. 95 million. 89 million. Just bro, there's some stunning houses there. Bro, this is a stunning house. Check here. Okay, wait, Chad. Let's focus here. Damn. Bro, is this not JP Final Space? No, it's not. Bro, it's JP Final Space staying in Camps Bay.
I don't know if his place is Camp Bay or if it is still more thingy.
We have a listing in Clifton for Richard. Weird question though. On a big listing like that, does the client actually cap you guys on your fee? For instance, you won't get your 3 or 4 or 6 or 7%, but they'll cap you maybe at something like 3 mil. I was always interested to know on houses like that. Casablanca. Okay, I'm gonna check now, Brian. I'm gonna check now. Top G is in Upper Seaboy. I say you guys still get 5% on. Damn, my dude. That is beautiful. Chad, all I'm saying is if you ever, let's say you're down and out and you don't know what to do and you've got a little bit and you're hungry for entrepreneurship and you want to make money, there's 2 things I'm going to tell you. Is guys in sales, estate agent, car salesman. I'm not really going to say financial advisor because it's a tough industry when it comes to people's finances. But when it comes to cars and that, it's disposable stuff. But estate agents, if you do it well, I've sat with some estate agents that do very, very well. And I've sat with some car salesman, Keegan knows the one, I don't want to say his name out loud, yeah, that also does very well, earning like CEO executive salaries based off their commission. Well, I'm getting retrenched soon. Oh my goodness, Robin. Is the engineering industry that bad? Yeah, look, with anything, I think it's just spending time in your profession. It's gonna be tough. Maybe your first year, 2 years, 3 years. I would say if you want to go into the financial industry, and I had this chat with Hein as well when he entered the financial industry, and I told him, Hein, if I had to go back, short-term insurance, you're gonna eat shit for maybe 2, 3, 4 years. And then after that, you are gonna smile. There's about just in this one office that I know the manager. He's got about 4 guys in his office that are short-term millionaires, meaning that every month their commission is over R1 million. So without them getting out of bed, without them doing anything, their recurring commission on short-term is R1 million. If you go talk to those guys, they have been putting in the graph for many years, and they are now enjoying the fruits of their labor. But here's the thing, sales is not for everybody. Yeah, Stefan is coining it, dude. Clients owes us 17 mil. Damn, bro. Keeks, have you thought about, our mutual contact, the car salesman?
Yeah.
Have you never thought and sat down and thought like, shit, bro, maybe I should have also sold cars?
I agree. There is those thoughts there. And you're going to be like his little apprentice.
You want a healthy business, don't offer accounts. Yeah, I know, accounts is a killer. Cash flow is king, Chad. Once you get into business and you realize, like, cash flow is king. The one estate agent, I know personally as well, usually clocked anywhere between 300 to 600k a month. I'm like, what are these gents doing?
Bro, it's not even funny.
Clubbing seals. I just finished my oxygen chamber station. What's good, Chad? Dylan, that hyperbaric, is it a hyperbaric chamber? Chad, we can't do anything here. I know you guys want to trade. As you can see, we're still stuck in this range. Little to no volume here. Even if I try and increase the volume dots here. Buyers are more prevalent here on NQ. US30 a little bit more balanced. Some sellers, some buyers. Nothing as of yet. No volume coming through. Gold, I mentioned to you guys, another 30 pips. There's the level to the T, Chad. I'm not even making this up. Go and watch the stream. I marked it out. There's it. I said gold can give us another push to 29, 23. That's where the sellers might try to get involved. How did I know that? Look at the order book there. There were sellers sitting there. So yeah. Keeks, how crazy is this? Book map showing us where the liquidity is sitting.
So waiting for it there, bro.
Car salesman, Keeks. I can get us in there, bro. We build our social media and then we just sell a lot of cars, man.
Alright, we can do it, bro.
And the nice thing is you get a BMW as well every month.
Hey. Yeah, that's already like a winning deal there.
Millennial FX, please, my brother, don't come here and tell me you already got 10 pips, because I know where you got it. You bought gold. Be honest with me. We already congratulated you before you came here. Go rewatch the stream. I already said I know where our good friend Meneer Kaniklani, you took it right here at the rip at the open. You took your buys. Yes, sir. Got my 10 gold buys. Yeah, I told the guys this year, break out of the range. If you look on the 30, it was clean out of the range, and I said, "There's Miles. We already congratulated you." All right.
Man, getting his pips.
Okay. Buys just after 10. There you go, Chad. If I didn't know where Miles took his trade, then I don't know. I'm not alert and awake. But Miles, nice thing, the buys actually did build up straight at the open, and the buys have been building up ever since. We actually marked out to the guys and said 29, 23. That's where the order book showed some sellers to come in. And then on NAS and US30, it's just chop. We've been waiting here. We've just been waiting here for some volume. Nothing coming in here. Nasdaq trying to show some promise here. Ooh, Nas. You know me too well, kan nie kla nie. Ja nee, kan nie kla na 10 pipper nie. Me too got bars, nice. Kan nie kla nie. Niblets. Alright, Chad. Okay. I want to get involved here, but let's just see what this. Ooh, did we miss it? Yeah, Chad, I'm just going to wait for this potential range to break. Then we're going to go for a NAS. Starting to build up quite nicely here now. Again, VWAP still holding. Point of control holding above. It's going to need to do something here for us. I'm just going to monitor this 1 minute close. Nice bit of volume here. Yeah, at the end of the volume shelf. I'm actually going to rip it here. Chad, took some longs here. Took it right there. Some longs here on NAS. Going with about a 30, 32 stop. See if we can get Asia highs. We have been building in this range. We have been holding above the 200. We have been holding above the point of control. We can't have this song playing while we're in trades. Definitely not. And let's see if we can get a nice little run here. And then after this trade, we can do the giveaways. All right. So this is the end of the volume shelf. Let's see if we can start to run. You can see the volume delta is building up to the long side. And how many points is that? 43. It's not a lot. You're not going to retire on it, but if you do it consistently every week, you could do very well for yourself. All right. Very nice build up of volume here now. I'm going to give this next 1 minute a chance to create a bottom wick. Once it creates the bottom wick and breaks the highs, I will go break even because this is the session high. I want to see volume continue. In the meantime, I'm actually just going to reduce my stops to 5 points, just below that previous 5. So stops have been reduced. We also don't want to suffocate the trade. So let's see. Chad, honestly, if it comes back to hit break even or hit this small stop that we've set here, I'm done, because we literally in this consolidation, we consolidated, we saw the breakout. There's actually no reason for it to come back here. After this long consolidation, after this volume break, trading on the up end of the volume shelf, we shouldn't go back there. If we go back there, the session is chalked. I'm not gonna wait around and get myself into trouble. We're here to make a bag and keep it moving.
Yeah, what's up, bro? That's already like, what, 2R?
I don't know, I reduced the stops. It's about 0.8 R now. 0.8. I think Asia should be taken there. Okay, Chad, going break even here, making this a risk-free trade. Let's see if she runs for us. Remember, this is not financial advice, so if you like what you see on the screen, you do what you need to do. I can't tell you what to do, because we are not financial advisors. We don't believe in a recession. We believe there's only a vibe session. Let's see, Chad. Home news. Did you see Trump and Putin's chicken fight? I normally sell gold when the rooster attacks. Just check, bro.
What?
Miles, how's the stomach, mate? Dude, is it still cutting through you? Guys, I promise you the like button does not bite. Alright, Chad, let's just hit this TP real quick here, and then we're going to do those giveaways. I would love a nice full TP here. Nice 1.5 R if we can get it. No sign of sellers coming in yet, and as I mentioned, we were on the edge of that volume shelf, so let's see. If I start to see that the volume delta starts to dip, then I might just close it. We are currently running about 2,765 pips, gigs. Is that right?
Sounds about right, bro.
Alright, so this is 2,765 pips. Or as some of you would know, 27 points. We are actually going for 43,450 pips.
Stage 3 pops and bangs, Chris. Put a variable tune on this morning.
Yo, that's the only... Chad, I don't know why they say you need fiber, because the carnivore diet, it cuts through you like a knife. It literally cuts through you like a knife. You will shit yourself if you are not careful. You need to be very, very careful. That thing cuts like a knife. Alright, Chad, let's see. What's US30 doing? Okay, US30 also having quite a nice push. We are break even on NAS. Let's see. I'm just going to give it a little bit of time, see if it consolidates here and get another move to the upside. Quite a bit of orders sitting up there. Sellers are trying to push it down here. See the order book spoofing there a little bit, but technically this thing's got about another 45 points that it can run to where the next big batch of orders are sitting. Gold, like I mentioned, that 23 level, that's where the orders were sitting. That's where we could potentially see some sellers. But Nasdaq, yeah, that's where, if you look at the current order book, 66 orders sitting up there. So let's just check it out. Almost there, a little bit more to go. Still nice build of volume here. We should see it.
Trade's running nicely.
Are you checking your iron levels? Chadwin, I don't even know how to check my iron levels. I have to say my blood pressure is very good. I checked it last night, 124/64. And when I started the diet, my blood pressure was 140/80. So in a matter of 2.5 weeks, my blood pressure improved dramatically. I'm going to try to go next week and go check my cholesterol and my sugar. Is it sugar? Keeps to test your sugar levels. Miles, I'm actually better now. Yesterday, I had a little bit of a tune. My hybrid turbo, my spool inside actually, I think broke a little bit, but the internals are fine now. But you'll see it will get better. But most of that burbles and bangs I had yesterday was the magnesium that I drank on an empty stomach. I never knew you can't do magnesium on an empty stomach. That also gives you a little bit of a unnecessary map. Oh, so but Chadwin, are you also on a carnivore diet? Because my one mate's iron levels are very high, and he has to, as a health precaution, he has to donate blood like every 2 weeks. He has to, because there's so much iron in his blood. Yes, I saw that yesterday. Magnesium definitely does increase the movement of the bowels. Chad, I'm gonna literally move my stops in here. So if this goes below this current previous 1 minute candle, I'm gonna start trailing now. Add a little bit of a consolidation. Stops have been moved into profit, and let's see if we can get that last push here. And then we can do the giveaways. So stop loss, I'm just going to trade it now with this last bit of candles. We are currently at the session high. We know at session highs you want to see volume come in. We had a little bit of a pause there. We had a little bit of a volume pause. So either we're going to continue or we're going to start reversing, and we can trade all the way back down here. So let's see. I'm going to just trade it now minute by minute. Just get us through. As soon as this 1 minute candle breaks the highs, I'm going to move my stops in right behind it. Okay, there we go. So stops just behind this current 1 minute. Let's see if we can squeeze that last bit out of it here. Still about 8 to go. So we're just going to trail it now as we go. Nice bit of volume. Chad, I'm actually locking it in right there. 34. You can go for that extra. For me, it's just a case of Chad, I killed it there. If you really want to go for the extra 8, it's a relatively low volume session. It could go there, but I also want to do the giveaway. It is 11:15, and there she goes. Okay, there she goes. Okay, anyways, extra 8 points.
You literally could have just carried on scaling.
I could have literally. All right, so I literally. But anyways, Chad, beautiful trade. 45 points there. But we're not going to fight the profit. Kicks?
Nah, bro.
Okay. As we say that, massive volume. Bro, I swear, I don't want to say anything. The markets have worked on us, on our psychology, to the point where we say this is where we want to go. And how many times in the past have we literally closed one candle too early, where it's like
your stop was a difference of one more pip. Like, you could have sacrificed one pip. But hey, bro.
it is what it is, Chad.
It's still a W trade, bro.
Should I do that influencer thing?
Go for it, bro.
Because everyone thinks it's only Miles and you winning. It's like, Chris, where's Chris's trades? Chad, come on, support your man out there. All right, Friday, ending off this Friday morning session with 45 pips. I only got 38, but the rest of the guys, if you took that trade and you made some money on Nasdaq here, Bookmap coming in absolutely clutch. Look at the volume there. W's, a lot of winners here in the chat. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade here. Thanks so much for joining. We do this live every single day for free. Check the links in our bio. 2G's Trading, YouTube. Let's go. All right, Chad, let's start with the giveaways. Keeks, Millie first and then the ladies.
Yeah, let's get the Millie out of the way. A Millie.
Keeks, do you think we should give them the opportunity to double up the account with a coin flip?
The Millie. Yo, bro. Sure. But what if they blow it, then they lose it? So if they don't get it right?
Yeah, then it goes to the next guy. Chad, what do you think? Do you guys want to...
I'd say if it's just going to go to the next guy, like they don't lose it, then it's...
Yeah, no, don't lose it. No,
yeah,
somebody will definitely get the
then
milli.
I think we go for it. I don't know if anyone else is actually going to do it though, but we can put that on the table.
Bro, you're talking to the DJs here.
Bro,
they'll throw it down.
I love the Chad, but out of all the times we did this, I think we had 2 people that always doubled it up.
Okay, let's get this post.
The past, you give these guys a 10k account and they were like, I'm taking it.
But they wouldn't hit the like button though. That they
Yeah.
can't. You have to pull that out of them. Chad, we can't pull this stuff out of you. Chad, okay, are you guys ready? I don't know if you guys are ready. Kigs, are you ready?
Let's do it, bro.
Okay, what are we saying? You have to be to claim it or not? No, I don't think. No. Okay, no. Alrighty, Chad.
But if they get the chance to double it up. There we go.
Finish him.
Okay. Chad, are you guys ready? Are you ready? Count me down there, Keeks.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Oh. Here is the winner. As I scroll down.
Let's see it.
Why does my head look so tall here, dude? I've got quite a tall head, like a bread. Very bad angle for me, but who is this? Al-Jeffy Arends. Al-Jeff Arends, my brother. Where is Al-Jeff? Are you here? You have the opportunity to double this up. Let me just tag this and send it to Jeff Orange, L. Jeffy Orange. Now is your time to shine. My name's Jeff. Oh, Chad. Is he here? I don't think L. Jeff Orange is here. Keys, I think if we do these giveaways, if you haven't purchased a Vault Funder account yet, then you actually can't win because you haven't supported the business. What do you think? Oh, is it King Camo? Thanks, bro. Yeah, King Camo, that's okay. Is it King Camo? Wait. Bro, wait. Let me go to his channel. Chad. Yes, you guys are naughty, my dude. Dude, it might be. It is him. It is him. King Camo is here, Chad. It's the brother. Yes, I'm here. I'm here. All right, King Camo, baby. King Camo. 2 questions for you, my brother. You've got the ability, one coin flip, to double up this 1 million to a 2 million. Or you can take the 1 million run. There's no shame in taking it, but you can double it. All right, one coin flip. You're going to choose heads or tails. We're going to flip a coin. You've got the opportunity to double it. There's no shame in taking it. There's no shame in taking it.
Big decisions.
We're gonna give you some time. Don't rush it. We're not rushing you. Take time, sit down, think about it. Sometimes in life it's about taking chances.
Taking the 1 million, leaving nothing to chance.
All right, Chad. Good man. All right, L. Jeff Orange. Ladies, now time for the ladies. I'm going to ask all of the ladies where you guys are. Ladies. Only ladies. Where are the ladies? How many ladies do we have in the building? Gents, let's give the ladies a chance just to comment, ladies, to see. All right. Ladies.
Alright. Let's see.
I've got another idea for this one, Keeks, just for the ladies.
Alright.
Ladies, my latest Instagram video. Just go and comment there. Happy Ladies Day, and we're gonna select you guys from there. Gents, please, if I see you comment there, at one stage I will be in your city, I promise you, and I will find you. All right, so this is for the ladies. We're gonna give them a minute. Keeks, is there anything else you want to look at in the market?
I think I'm good, bro. So let's give the ladies a time, yeah.
Let's give the ladies a chance. You can just go and comment Happy Women's Day on that latest Instagram post. We're going to do a comment picker there as well. And King Camo, well done, my brother. I hope, just let me know in the comment section, have you got a Vault Funder account? If you don't have one, I'm going to be very sad. Let me know if you've got a Vault Funder account. Support local. Local is lacquer. Keeks, what do you rate?
That's
local
it,
is
bro.
good.
Local all the way.
But for real now, Keeks, when are you going to add me to Prodigy? I want to get those cracker
You
trades.
gotta check your Discord, bro.
Is it in Discord?
It's in Discord.
Yes, bro. You guys have been eating it there. All right, chat. I'm going to give it about 5 minutes. We can still hang around here. I just need to go pee quick. Where is King? I'm about to buy one. Oi, okay. King Camo, let's go. King Camo supporting local.
I think that's the perfect thing. Send him a DM because that way we'll know it's definitely you then.
Yeah, taxi video. Taxi. Chad, what do you guys think of the new content? Do you guys like it? Do you think it's cuck? Do you think it's good? Let me know. Where's Amina Samai? Amina is here.
She literally was like 4 comments.
Oh, there,
above
Happy
that.
Women's Day. Yeah, I'm about to buy one. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. I enjoy the new style of content.
Ladies, just before we get it wrong, remember you need to be commenting Happy Women's Day. Also, I don't know if you just saying it as well.
No, on the post.
On the post.
On the Instagram post. The keys I'm going to be here now.
Perfect, brother. Oh, there we go. There's a link for you guys. Make sure to comment Happy Women's Day on that post. All the ladies. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, guys, markets not really volume there. I mean, you guys got a solid trade there with Chris, but that's pretty much it. Done. Cheers, boys. Enjoy the Friday and good luck with it, you bunch of DJ. Hey, bro. We gotta try to keep the record going here, but have a luck on, bro. Let's see. No, I mean, there's literally not even news the rest of the day. We literally got the news coming out, and then Powell speaking tonight. And then we got Trump speaking. Geeks, when I saw you like my comment on the post last night, I had to talk to the big man upstairs. Hey, of course, bro, of course. We always try our best to get back to all the comments and stuff. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Play that banger. I got 1 million views on Cold Feet. NCS repeating the songs this week. Yeah, they've been doing it quite a bit lately, eh? It's weird. Yeah, guys, make sure those comments are there. We're gonna get the ball rolling. Yeah. I'll sort it out. There you go.
Okay, ladies. It's
go time.
Now I don't know where that comment picker is. Let me just see. I don't see any comments there. Let me just refresh quickly. Alright, let's see. Hensku. Hey, so we've got quite a few ladies. Okay, we're gonna have to do the comment picker here. Alrighty, ladies, get ready. I hope you're not, dude, if they're gonna ask us now to pay to select 5 winners, I will be bleak. Alright, Chad, I've got a feeling here we're gonna have to pay. All of these services are usually paid. Let's see. I don't know. Okay. The 5 ladies that will be walking away with the $10,000 Vault Funder Challenge account are the following. Yeah, I knew it. Wask, you son of a guns. Where's
What happened?
no, you have to bro. Raffles, app sortiers. Let's check Raffles. Let's see if Raffles can do it for us.
When we click on the XM link, do we just register normal and get the $30?
No, use the link in the description
Yeah.
of this video.
Yeah, so you have to use that link in the description and that'll take you to it.
Chat, I want to make it clear. We're going to post a video later, Gigs. I think we can maybe give these guys a little bit of an advantage. What do you rate? The guys that are still here.
For what?
For what they're going to need to do. I think we do it. Wait. No, perfect. Chat, sorry man, I'm just looking for a comment picker here.
Do we get the prize for the most number of VF challenges bought and blown?
Yo. Gigs, I'm struggling here to find one that's free, my dude.
How many of them commented?
It's quite a bit. Quite a bit. Let's check here quickly. Okay, chat, let's see. I don't want to make it anticlimactic here. Try as free. Alright. Alright, chat, I think we've got one that's free. 18 comments. There we go. There we go. And your results link is here. Let's check. Let's check it out.
I'm so confused.
Bro, what is this? What am I looking at here? What am I looking at here? Oh, we haven't started. Start contest. Oh shit, chat. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. First lady to win is Anna. Ooh. Anna D, baby. Time for the 5-finger. My life is pure sunshine.
Hey.
Third lady, Amina T. Amina's my fourth lady. Why do I feel like Brian is going to be here? Tisha Moodley. And the fifth lady is Hensku.
Hey, there we go. I'm just saying, well done, boys. You guys, none of you went and interfered here.
Yeah, well done, gents.
You guys
really,
actually listened for once.
really do appreciate you guys sticking to the plan there. I just want to clip this quickly. Well done, ladies. Again, thanks so much for the ladies for always being here. A lot of times I think you guys are a little bit in the background. Boys can get rough sometimes, but thank you for your continuous support.
Well done, ladies.
Chad, we're going to put a stick in it here. Well done. Gold called out beautifully here this morning. Told you guys that buyers are sticking it out, sticking their necks out. A lot of buy volume at the open. US30 also nice break away from that VWAP level. Had a nice move up, but I think we did the right thing going with NAS. NAS was a lot cleaner for me on the volume profile as well. Made us wait a little bit. A lot of retests on that point of control. Once we got the volume, it was relatively easy to get stuck into it. Take profit, placed exactly where it should have been. And Keeks, any closing remarks from you, my brother?
Yeah, guys, so I said to you, pretty much a very neutral day for me. As I said, purely just of rules, especially NFP day, I was not going to touch indices. Gold's giving me kind of what we wanted, that little bit of rejection, but then I said that having that break to the top side, I wanted volume. Yes, you could argue it had volume, but very little. And I just thought, you know what, I've had such a good week again. I don't need to force trades now. So we just take it easy, stick to the plan as always, and we're going to see what happens after NFP and then New York.
Do 5 accounts. Now you boys are too rough, but we'll do one for the gents as well. The gents sent their wives to do the comp. That's awesome. Chad, we'll see Project G members before NFP, starting 30 minutes before. So what time is that? 3 o'clock, eh? 3 o'clock we'll start our NFP call. And 4 o'clock we've got the stream. I think you're not going to be Keeks, who's busy with the move.
Guys,
so I'm going to ask Miles. Miles mentioned he would join. Otherwise I'm going to get Big E Weezy. But thanks so much for joining, Chad. And thank you for being patient with the giveaway. And we will see you guys after NFP. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been